This is the average entrepreneur back with another video. This is my Alibaba leggings part 2. Now this is a very interesting video because this is the all over print, and this is the print that you'll see drop ship companies such as Printful and Shopify do. So you want to stay tuned for this. Here we go to all of the average entrepreneurs out there. This is the Alibaba leggings part 2. And once again, we're going to get right into the videos because I try to keep them short as possible so you can get the information and continue on with your daily activity. So this is the very popular all over print. And this was from a distributor that I got from Alibaba. So you're going to see that this is my I love Charm City print. And I love Charm City. It's a play off of course, I love New York. But this is my spin off on it. And this is going to be my athletic legging here. And the legging came out really good. I'm really impressed with the craftsmanship. As you can see, the stitching came out really good. And the all over print came out really good as well. The only thing you're gonna have to probably watch out for is the sizing. And once again, it's Alibaba and dealing with some of these distributors. The sizing for this particular legging was off once again. When I received the sample was pretty spot on, but once we got the bulk order was off. So once again, within this business, and when you're trying to start a business, you always are constantly making adjustments. Even when you get on your feet, you're going to be constantly making adjustments and doing things to ensure that you're going to be successful no matter what happens to the shipment, no matter what's going on with your company or going on around you. So that was kind of the point here. I have to now, once again, make adjustments with the sizing and who I'm going to advertise these leggings to, and the size of females that are going to be able to purchase these leggings. But nevertheless, these leggings, as far as the print, came out really good. And once again, you can see that the print came out well. And these leggings are really thick. You can't see it from the camera, but these leggings are very nice size. They aren't thin at all. So these are a thicker legging, and they got a little give to them. But once again, I wasn't disappointed with the print itself, but just the sizing. So I think this is a situation where I can get back to the distributor and we can go ahead and make the adjustments necessary to make this leggings as far as the all over print a success. All right, guys, this is the bonus footage. So this is the all over print men's boxers that I've done. And you've seen these with other urban brands where they do their all over print men's boxer briefs and they charge you $30 to $40. No, too high. Once again, pricing for these was well under $20, well under $18. And you guys see the quality. Now with this one, I actually went with the logo on the thigh portion of the boxers. So you see the logo on the thigh portion of the boxers, and once again, the craftsmanship came out really good. I have no complaints over that. All of the stitching came out good. So once again, I don't have any complaints at all with the stitching. And you see on the top portion, I went with the logo, and as you guys can see, Charmciticlothing. So we went with the logo there. And once again, you see the logo on the other side of the die here, and we have the design here. So the only thing I didn't like is that these have a they have a pocket for a cup. So it's a performance. Now, once again, you can market these as a performance boxer briefs and it'll work for you. But me not necessarily. I wouldn't mind having a few of these as a men's performance boxer brief, where there's a pocket where you can put a men's cup in, and it's going to give the, you know, protection for your genitals for men. But I don't want it. I don't want that. But now that I'm thinking about it, I will do a few. For the inside label, I didn't do my logo, and we didn't do any print on the inside label because that was going to be an extra charge. This is just a sample, and I encourage all of you guys to get samples whenever you're going to be trying to order from an overseas distributor, because you always want to check their craftsmanship and their quality, especially with the stitching. The stitching to me looks professional all the way around. I have no issues with that at all. Once again, the quality of this particular garment is really good. But once again, the sizing is off, and that's something that I need to work with this particular distributor about. But no flaws in the logo design at all. So you guys can see that. And once again, we had no issues. Like, I have no issues with that. That logo design came out perfect. Charmciticlothing. There's no distortion. There's no out of focus. That came out well. And you can see the back of the design there. The back stitching came out really good. Once again, we just had an issue with the sizing, but this will be another video that will be done very soon as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little bit of bonus footage. And once again, man, I'm working on being the plug for your all over print needs.